How to transfer files from phone to PC and laptop with Bluetooth. On your mobile device, scroll down from the top of your screen. Find the option for Bluetooth and make sure to tap on it in order to turn it on. If you want to access the Bluetooth settings, long press on the option for Bluetooth. Now you'll be able to see all the connected devices over here. If your device is not connected to the PC or laptop, tap on the option Pair New Device. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned on in your laptop or PC. You can see the device name over here. Simply tap on your laptop or PC. Once you do that, follow through the prompts in order to pair them. I've already paired them. Now after you pair them, you'll be able to see it on the saved devices. Simply tap on it in order to connect to it. After you do that, what you have to do is simply select the files that you would like to transfer. For that, I'm going to open the files on my device. Go to the destination of your choice. You can see all of your files over here. Tap on the three dots right next to the file that you would like to share. You can also select multiple files by long pressing on the file that you would like to share. Once you do that, select the multiple files. Once you do that, tap on the share option that you can see on the screen. Scroll down. Find the option for Bluetooth and tap on it. Tap on your laptop or PC under the available devices. Wait for a while. Make sure to accept the transfer on your PC or laptop. After you do that, the file will be transferred from phone to your PC or laptop. Like this, you can transfer files from phone to PC and laptop with Bluetooth. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.